welcome to the kitchen. Today we are doing an Italian dish. We are going to make arancini. They're one of my favourite things to eat, favourite things to make. And we're going to use leftover risotto, stuff them with mozzarella, encrust them with panko and Parmesan, and we're going to fry them up. First of all, we're going to take our mozzarella balls, dip those in some flour. So now I just need to get my risotto. So I've got a couple of flavours here. I've got some saffron and some spinach. Take a nice spoon of your risotto, flatten it off, take your mozzarella ball, pop it in, and just encase all of the rice around it, just to kind of enclose it inside the rice. Ricey mozzarella sphere. Do a spinachy one, flatten it down. In goes the mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to show you how to coat a couple, and then I'm going to get Lola to do the rest as usual. Dip your balls in flour first of all, then pop it into some beaten egg. I've got some lovely orangey egg there, and then into your panko. I've got some panko and a little bit of finely grated Parmesan. One arancini ready to fry. Bit of flour into the egg, into your crusty, crunchy mixture. This is one of the funnest things to do and to eat. And there you go, ready to fry off. So I'm going to get them all ready, and then we'll be ready to pop them into the fryer and cook them up. Alrighty, so come over with me to my fryer. It's on 180 degrees, and we're going to fry them up for between 6 to 8 minutes. Let's check on our balls. They're looking good. Look at those. About another minute, I think. That's the timer. I think our balls are ready. Oh yes, look at those. I am just going to get some tongs, and I'm going to get some kitchen paper. They smell amazing. Oh, look at this. So the perfect accompaniment to the arancini balls is a little bit of simple pomodoro sauce. Here we go. Let's place them on. How about that? How do you like them apples? How do you like those crispy ricey balls? Okay, let's cut into them and have a look at the mozzarella. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yum. I'm going in. Oh my God. I would marry this if I could, but I'm already married. They are blooming lovely. Let's check out the saffron ones while we're here. Oh, yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Come on, look at that. Oh God, so good. They are amazing. We're going to demolish these, but you should definitely make these. Everything you need to make these is just down there. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and cheers to you. Ciao, I shall see you next time. Bye. Yum. Come on, try them.